lie in a hotel room looking at the street light. Outside my window I listen to the rain and the sounds of the passing cars and the waves on English Bay. And I wonder if you think of me as I dream of you. Do you hear the song that I sing in this hotel room? 'Cause I see you in the stars above and in every setting sun. And even though you're 1,500 miles away, I hear you howling at the moon. Start to float away. Yeah, the whole world seems very strange in a pleasant kind of way. And as the morning sun comes up and puts an end to this long night, more than anything I wish you were here, lying by my side, holding me near, listening to